Here we go. This is Light Explorers, the first Become a Family boomerang that we're gonna ride in this park. If you're watching the vlog, if you're watching this POV, make sure you watch the full vlog and all the other POVs of all the roller coasters in this park. Boink. I really enjoy these roller coasters. I think they're awesome. Woo! I think they are great.
Oh, so nice.
This is very similar to Saven in Forum Sommerland, I have to say. Oi! Not vertical as Luna. Whee! They're great. I think these coasters are fantastic. That's really fun. I like this one. That was great. Beep boop.